For homeowners in Miami Gardens, safety and security are top priorities, especially in a region known for its vibrant neighborhoods, tropical storms, and year-round sunshine. While many people think of security systems or reinforced doors when protecting their homes, proper window installation is equally essential. Modern window installation not only boosts your home's appearance and energy efficiency but also plays a vital role in safeguarding your family, property, and peace of mind. Let's explore how professional window installation enhances safety and security for homes across Miami Gardens. Impact-resistant windows offer superior protection. South Florida's weather can be unpredictable, with the potential for heavy rain, strong winds, and tropical storms. That's why many Miami Gardens homeowners opt for impact-resistant windows during installation. These windows are designed with laminated glass, multiple layers bonded together to withstand high pressure and flying debris. Even if struck by an object, the glass remains intact within its frame, preventing dangerous shards from scattering and blocking storm entry points. Beyond weather protection, this impact-resistant technology also strengthens your home's security against break-ins. Intruders find it significantly harder to shatter or pry open these reinforced windows, giving you greater protection against unwanted entry. In a city like Miami Gardens, where hurricane safety and home security often go hand in hand, impact-resistant windows are one of the best investments you can make. Proper installation prevents vulnerabilities. Even the strongest window is only as secure as its installation. Poorly fitted windows can leave gaps or weak spots that compromise both structural integrity and home security. Professional window installers ensure that every frame is tightly sealed, properly anchored, and aligned with the wall structure. This prevents tampering, air leakage, and water intrusion, all of which can weaken a window over time. When installed correctly, your new windows become a seamless part of your home's protective envelope, able to withstand weather, pressure, and external force without compromising performance. For Miami Gardens homeowners, this level of precision is especially important given the region's humid climate and potential for heavy rain, which can cause poorly sealed windows to deteriorate quickly. Advanced locking systems for added peace of mind. Modern window designs come with enhanced locking mechanisms that go beyond traditional single latch systems. From multi-point locks that secure the frame at multiple locations to hidden locks that deter tampering, these innovations make a big difference in preventing forced entry. When paired with expert installation, these locks operate smoothly and fit tightly within the frame, eliminating gaps that burglars could exploit. For added security, homeowners can also opt for smart locks or reinforced hardware that integrate with home automation systems, allowing you to monitor and lock windows remotely for complete peace of mind. Deterring intruders with strong materials and design. Window installation also allows homeowners to upgrade to stronger, more durable materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad frames are far more resistant to breakage and tampering than older wooden frames. Thicker, tempered glass is another option that increases strength and durability. Not only does it resist impacts better than standard glass, but when broken, it shatters into small, dull pieces instead of dangerous shards, reducing injury risk. In addition, well-installed modern windows often come with security glazing options that make it nearly impossible for intruders to cut or force entry without significant noise or effort, a strong deterrent in itself. Enhancing safety through design and functionality. Window safety isn't only about keeping people out, it's also about protecting those inside. Proper window installation ensures that your windows open and close easily in case of an emergency. For example, windows installed with smooth gliding tracks and ergonomic handles allow for quick exits during a fire or other urgent situation. At the same time, secure latches prevent accidental openings, keeping children and pets safe. These thoughtful design details combine everyday convenience with peace of mind, giving Miami Gardens homeowners a sense of both safety and freedom. Final thoughts. In Miami Gardens, where homeowners balance sunshine living with storm preparedness, proper window installation is one of the most effective ways to enhance home safety and security. From impact-resistant glass to advanced locks and expert sealing, every element contributes to a home that's stronger, safer, and more energy efficient. By working with trusted local installers who understand South Florida's unique conditions, you can ensure your windows not only look beautiful but also serve as a dependable first line of defense. With the right installation, your windows do more than let in light. They help protect your family, your investment, and the comfort of your Miami Gardens home for years to come.